everyone, today I have Sephora Play Box for May, and I haven't done one of these in a little while, probably just because I've not been exactly thrilled with my Sephora, but I haven't like hated it either. I've just been kind of meh about it, but I figured I might as well be meh about it and share my feelings because I just haven't done a video. But I have saw the Sephora's video where they showed like a ton of different options that could be in your box, and a lot of them looked really nice. I thought I would share because I was hoping I would get some of those really great classic makeup products too. And so the theme this month is beauty goals, and it's got my little 50-point card, which is nice. And then this is the bag this month, which I think is really kind of cute and like country looking. Like it probably reminds me of like Rosie the Riveter. So I really like this, the way the bag looks. To be honest, I never keep these bags, but yeah, let's get into the stuff. First thing breaking out of the bag is this Flower Bomb perfume by Victor and Rolf. Just as this one says, I have smelled this before and I don't hate it. For a really floral perfume, it's not bad. It's actually a nice floral scent. It's pretty strong though, and it lasts for a long time, so I'm not going to spray it on me because it kind of has like a strong smell and it'll be with me for a while. But if you like florals, you'll probably like this. I'm on the fence, but I don't mind this one, but it's not something I'd probably buy, and I've had enough samples of it where I can probably wear it every day for a month because I feel like that's a very popular sample to get. Then I got this, and this is a Becca miniature highlighter. Ooh, and mine is in Champagne Pop, which of course is like the most iconic shade they have. I actually own this in a big one, but mine broke and I've had it for years. I mean, I think I got it in 2015 or something. Like I've had that for a long time and I haven't made it all the way through it. So this little one will last me a long time. So at least now I have a small one. I don't have to buy a new big one. I'm really pleased that they made this in a small size. I don't think I've ever seen it in a mini before as a sample. So I'm really pleased to get this because this is my favorite highlighter and this is my favorite shade. I also have Opal and Moonstone in these little minis, and I have not used a little mini yet. And I also have Rose Gold, but I never wear that one. But I love Champagne Pop, so I'm thrilled to have one of these because these minis are actually pretty big for a highlighter because you just sweep your brush. I have Champagne Pop on now. I love this one, it's my favorite color. So that's worth my whole box. Then we have this, and this is a Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying Zinc and Copper, and it's this gray color. I'm not super excited about this only because I don't want to be matte. I do not have oily skin. Oh, it really smells like clay. This is what it looks like. I will try it out to get the like pore cleaning aspects, I guess, purifying, but I don't feel like I need a mattifying anything. Ooh, Brumble and Brumble Thickening Spray Pre-Styler. Spray this into damp hair, then blow dry. Don't blow dry often, but when I do, I'll try this out because I like this type of product. This will probably last me a while because I don't blow dry my hair often, but when I do, I will try this next time. Then I got Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper, another product that, why isn't it showing you it? Another product that I've used time and time again, and I like this eyeliner, and I've tried it before. So yeah, I'm happy to have another little sample of these. You can keep these liquid eyeliners coming sample boxes because I will use them, and I guess it saves me from actually having to buy one because they've sent them so often. I think I got a liquid eyeliner in my last subscription box as well. Then last but not least, Professional, which I do like. I actually have this in a full size because I do use this for my pores, but it matches my nail polish. This is a nice little sample for like maybe traveling or something. I love the Professional. I just think it's funny that like with the exception of with the exception of the mask, I think I've tried everything that's in this box before. So I mean, they are classic products, which they are nice to have, but I have tried them. So nothing really new here, but everything is good. So I guess you got to pick your battles. I've tried it, but at least they're things I like. So I will use the Professional, I will use Champagne Pop, I will use that volumizing spray, and I will use that eyeliner. So yeah, I guess you gotta choose. Do you want something new or do you want something you like? But I do like trying something new, so I would have preferred a different primer, but I am happy to have something I like just in case I run out or something. But yeah, tell me what you got in your box, and I'll see you guys later.